Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get DoorDash coupon codes. Now to do that, you should go and open your browser. And after opening your browser, you just have to search simply for DoorDash coupon code. Here you will find many websites that will provide you with DoorDash coupons. You just have to choose one of them. It doesn't really matter. Then you can simply choose any coupon that you need. You can simply click on it like this. And here you have the code already. You can go and click on copy and open DoorDash application on your phone, log into your account and paste it and redeem it to purchase a specific product. Or you can click on redeem at DoorDash and it will redirect you to the application on your phone or to your email on the website. You just have to log in and you can simply go and purchase something using this coupon code and you will get a discount of 40% or any other percentages that you can find here, or you can even get a $10 or $5 off when trying to purchase anything. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.